Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm attempt to find out what is the problem with this Viking 4amp 6V 12V car battery charger or maintainer. So I got this out of Harbor Freight for about $29.99 plus tax. Original price on this is like $39.99, and unfortunately it seems like something is loose inside. This one was plugged in to charge the car battery in the garage, so I'm not sure during the summertime it is hot, so it got overheated or something happened. Anyway, I'm going to use this tool to open it up. So I'm not sure if you can see it on the cover right here. It seems like there's some kind of chemical leakage. Oh. So this is a blown capacitor. This is the cap. Got blown out. Wow. So the left side is the AC. AC plug. And then the right side is the 12V or 6V. So they're like 1, 2, 3 of those black Phillips screws that we need to remove. So right here is the fuse. It seems that the fuse is still okay, it's not shorted. So you got the big capacitor right here, that black one, 68 microfarad. Wow, 200 something volt, 250. So yeah, you gotta make sure that one is discharged or whatever, or else it's gonna zap you. And then this one right there, I'm not sure it's the same one. That's the 10 microfarad. So those two capacitor looks fine. And this one right here looks kind of like a bulged. So this one probably go bad. Oh. Trying to find out what is the microfarad on this thing. You see this gold strip? That means that is the negative terminal. I'm not sure what that says, 47 or 470 microfarad. Can't see. Looks like 470. I see the microfarad right here on the top. So this side is the high voltage side, transformer. So AC to DC. And there are more capacitor that's inside there. That is the 1000 microfarad, 25 volt. Oh, there's a switch right here. There's a black temperature sensor right there in front of the capacitor. And I cannot see what is the size on this thing. So the capacitor, that's all the way in there. You see the base of the capacitor, it got burned or blown out. That'll be this one right here. So unfortunately, this cage is covering it. So it's kind of hard to remove and repair. And see the bottom. And then the bottom, you got this LCD covering it. So the capacitor legs down there somewhere. Yeah, as you see, they put like some kind of glue on there, so you cannot remove it. Well, I think the only two back capacitor is the one that got blown. And then this one right here is like bulged. So yeah, the capacitor for this one, the legs are right here. 1, 2. That one's easy to remove and repair, but the other one, you might have to remove this cover. I think there's one right here. And one right here. Well, unfortunately, that one we need to unscrew it because this acts as a heat sink. And so is this side too. Well, there you have it. That's how you troubleshoot and find out what is the problem. So it's a little bit challenge to get that thing out and find out what's the size of the capacitor if I can. Unless there's a schematic that I could find out the capacitor size for this in order to repair properly. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notification. Oh, there's another problem here. That resistor looks like it's burned. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.